Welcome, travel enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of our travel channel, TravelTube. Today, we're about to embark on a luxurious journey to one of the most breathtaking destinations in the Caribbean, the Royalton Riviera Cancun Resort and Casino. We are here to provide an all-inclusive tour and an honest review of Royalton Riviera Cancun Resort and Spa. Get ready to witness the ultimate blend of luxury, nature, and culture as we explore this hidden gem nestled along the captivating coastline of the Mexican Caribbean. Our adventure begins as we touch down at the Cancun International Airport, where the warm Caribbean breeze instantly welcomes us. After a short and comfortable transfer, we arrive at the majestic Royalton Riviera Cancun Resort and Casino. The resort's impressive architecture, inspired by contemporary design with a touch of Mayan influence, sets the perfect tone for a memorable vacation. As we step into the grand lobby, we are greeted by friendly staff offering refreshing tropical drinks, making us feel like royalty. Prepare to be indulged in all-inclusive luxury like never before. Royalton Riviera Cancun offers an array of lavish accommodations, from beautifully appointed suites to the unique experience of swim-up rooms and private villas with stunning views of the Caribbean Sea. Let's take a peek inside and immerse ourselves in the upscale amenities and personalized service that make this resort stand out among the rest. Dining. Royalton Riviera Cancun is a culinary paradise. With 9 world-class restaurants and cuisines ranging from Mexican and Italian to Asian and Mediterranean, guests can embark on an unforgettable gastronomic journey. We'll savor mouth-watering dishes prepared by talented chefs, using the freshest local ingredients to ensure an authentic and delightful dining experience. Adventure seekers, get ready for an adrenaline-pumping experience. Royalton Riviera Cancun boasts its very own on-site water park, providing hours of fun for guests of all ages. The water slides, lazy river, and splash pads guarantee a thrilling escape from the heat. If that's not enough excitement, the resort offers water sports such as kayaking and paddleboarding, allowing guests to explore the crystalline waters of the Caribbean Sea and get up close to vibrant marine life. While the resort offers unparalleled comfort, there's a world of adventure awaiting just beyond its borders. Royalton Riviera Cancun provides various thrilling options, from snorkeling in the world's second-largest barrier reef, the Mesoamerican Reef, to exploring ancient Mayan ruins steeped in history and mystery. Join us as we venture into the heart of Mexico's culture and natural wonders, creating memories that will last a lifetime. A vacation isn't complete without a touch of relaxation and pampering. Royalton Riviera Cancun's tranquil spa and wellness facilities offer rejuvenating treatments and therapies designed to nurture both body and soul. Pampering takes on a whole new meaning at the Royal Spa. The highly skilled therapists work their magic, leaving you refreshed, relaxed, and ready to embrace the rest of your vacation. From soothing massages to invigorating yoga sessions overlooking the turquoise sea, guests can unwind and recharge in this serene oasis of tranquility. Excitement and entertainment. The Royalton Casino awaits. Here, guests can try their luck at a variety of thrilling games while immersing themselves in the vibrant atmosphere. With a range of gaming options and friendly dealers, the casino provides a perfect blend of fun and indulgence for those looking to test their fortune. For those seeking the epitome of luxury, the Royalton Riviera Cancun's Diamond Club is a must-try. This exclusive option offers a host of additional amenities, including access to a private beach area, personalized butler service, exclusive lounges, and preferred reservations at the resort's a la carte restaurants. The Diamond Club experience elevates your stay to a whole new level of indulgence, making you feel like a true VIP. in the air at Royalton Riviera Cancun, making it a romantic paradise for destination weddings and honeymooners. With its picturesque beachfront setting and exceptional wedding packages, couples can exchange vows in a dreamlike ceremony. Whether you're planning an intimate affair or a grand celebration, the resort's wedding specialists will curate an unforgettable experience that surpasses all expectations. Embrace the vibrant culture of Mexico through the resort's festive events and cultural celebrations. From traditional dance performances to tequila tastings and Mexican-themed nights, Royalton Riviera Cancun provides an authentic and immersive experience of the country's rich heritage. Immerse yourself in the colors, flavors, and rhythms that make Mexico so captivating. Is not just for couples or solo travelers. It's a paradise for families too. The resort boasts an incredible kids club with supervised activities, splash parks, and dedicated play areas to keep the little ones entertained all day long. Parents can enjoy some quality time while their children create unforgettable memories with new friends and caring staff. This family-friendly approach makes the Royalton Riviera Cancun an ideal destination for creating cherished moments with your loved ones. Truly sets the Royalton Riviera Cancun apart is its unwavering commitment to providing exceptional service. The warm and attentive staff members go above and beyond to ensure every guest feels pampered and cared for throughout their stay. From the moment you arrive until your departure, you'll be treated like royalty, with personalized touches that make your vacation even more special. Our time at Royalton Riviera Cancun Resort and Casino has been nothing short of extraordinary. The combination of opulence, adventure, and relaxation creates an experience unlike any other. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or an exciting solo adventure, this resort caters to all, leaving you with memories that will be cherished forever. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey to Royalton Riviera Cancun. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awe-inspiring travel destinations and experiences. Until next time, keep exploring the world.